Dude, I've got to try and get over the stairs again. It's been too long. Carve over the hip, over the stairs, but I need to learn how to roll in again. It's just muscle memory stuff though, isn't it? Dude. Oh, dude. 5 years or so. I think we got this built when I was maybe 25, 24, so yeah, 20 years ago. It's so rad though. Wish I could actually be close by to skate it. Keep the fitness going. Ah! Dude, jelly legs. I blew the line. I blew the line. Oh, it's on. No, I can't leave. This is like, it's a crazy thing. That used to be like, boys. Yeah, the boys. Oh, dude. It's been, bro, I have not skated here for so long. My pull legs are just disintegrated.
I don't know, just yeah, you go follow film, MB. I go front side over the wall. Ow! Ah!
Yeah. Sick. Yep.
See, I really want to do that, but Smith rolling instead.
Yeah, do it, you got it.
We'll send one, this guy.
Oh no, yeah. Oh my god, yes! Fuck!
Yep.
Dude, are you good?
Yeah, we've gone way too fast for that one.
Far out.
See, I've like cooked myself from yesterday. I was doing them so well. Now I come back today and I'll do the trick shit.
No,
It's always how it works, hey?
oh.
One little thing wrong and you're on your ass in this bowl. Yeah. Take a chill. Yeah, that's it. That'll do it.
Go.
The go juice, now you go. Over the death box. Puss.
Yep, get it. Yeah.
Oh, you should just ollie off to into the waterfall.
Get the double there.
Hell yeah. Oh, skipping that.
Yes, Dan. Bro. Dude.
Oh,
Dude.
oh, that was a mission.
Dude. That's back deep.
Oh, there's no way you didn't take that in.
Dude, that's coming in.
Oh, that was it.
Get it. So right.
Wow.
Yes.
Oh,
Bro.
that's the sketchiest part to back D. Holy.
Dude.
On the
Oh, dude, I was so hyped on them on dirt. They look so good.
Oh my god.
Man,
Damn, Wacker got me on that one. Righty.
Try and get my head around it.
Get it. Pull it in.
Oh, you So rad. Real flat, isn't it?
So keen to like get on a normal board and feel like my feet are glued to it.
How's the band going?
Yeah.
Good.
Speed.
There's some Peter Hewitt vibes right there.
Yeah, that one was so weird. I just kept grinding for some reason.
I was like, he's bailing, and then you just got control.
I don't know how that worked.
WA band called Helter Skelter. It's so good. They got an album.
Frontside rollings just don't make any sense to me. Whew.
Yeah, bro.
Ow!
Sick.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow. Gives you wings apparently. Some street lord. Yes.
No.
Oh my god. Oh, knock out. Oh, you just gotta land.
Dude, I used to like go frontside around it, but like
can't carve
your heel would catch sometimes, and you'd get like that little just pitch you into the wall.
Alright, right here, get him. He's got it here. Oh, no.
Oh, dude. You right?
Fucking wheel bite on the bottom, eh?
Stupid wheels.
Can't believe that. That was the best one yet.
Dude, that was all the way through.
Yeah, I'm fine. Just the usual spots. I can't believe I didn't pull that. I like grabbed me front wheel so hard when I came in. Eh?
What are you riding? Show us what you're riding.
Willis Kimball, Creature.
Yeah, George.
Comes with grab grooves.
Yeah, dude.
Extra good. Not that I can do grabs. Hey, George.
Yeah.
Wow.
Dude.
Oh,
So rad.
wow.
Yes.
That was insane.
Just
That looked good from here.
dude.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, I like crooks every now and then. Only good on bowls though. Wow!
Sick, George.
What the hell?
Yeah.
What the hell? Alright, back. I got your back.
Oh, good, dude.
We're all on it.